All right, welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers Cooking Channel. I know that some of you have had, all variations of Italian heroes or subs. There's some even called the Godfather, which Jimmy sells at his deli out in Dallas.
Good sandwich.
Yeah. Anyway, my grandmother came up with this kind of on accident. She used to make, during the holidays, she used to make these artichoke carts that were baked in the oven. At the end of the evening, she had all these cold cuts, mainly Gabagool and cheese, and she would make a nice sandwich with that. Today, Chef Dom's going to show you. Yeah, with the artichoke carts, of course. Anyway, today Chef Dom's going to show you how to make it. It's so easy. And also, stick around because at the end, we're going to have the drawing for the cutting board. All right, let's get cooking.
All right, guys, we have our ingredients for our baked artichokes. We have, you can use whole artichokes, or we have quartered artichokes today because we are going to put this on a sandwich that's going to blow your socks off. We got artichokes, garlic, Parmesan cheese, Italian parsley, breadcrumbs, pepper, and salt.
That's it. Some olive oil.
What I'm going to do is I'm just going to put these in here. Add some garlic. Oh,
Italian parsley.
We got the spicy Gabagool.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yum, yum. All right. Now I'm going to put a little oil in here. I'm going to mix them up a little bit, get them all coated with oil. This is so easy, guys. This is how our grandmother used to do this for every holiday.
It was just Thanksgiving and Christmas.
Thanksgiving, Christmas.
We used to fight over them.
Yeah, that's right. Grandma never made enough. We were killing each other.
No.
Well, there was so much food, but we got some nice Parmesan on here.
Oh yeah, beautiful.
All right, I'm gonna put a little breadcrumb in here and then mix it up and then dust off the top.
Beautiful.
Smells so good. With the garlic.
Oh yeah.
A little pepper. Salt, I'm just gonna put a pinch because the cheese has got, the breadcrumb is salty.
Yes.
Plus, you got putting it on the, put the rest of the parsley in there too.
Plus the pecorino is a little salty too.
Very salty. All right, now we're gonna just dust these off a little bit. Oh.
Perfect.
That's it. Now I'm gonna just spritz some oil on the top of this.
Perfecto.
And that's it.
All right.
Into the oven it shall go.
We got the oven on what? 450 degrees, about 30, 35 minutes.
Maybe less than that. That's not that many.
Oh,
I've never made that. When I make them at home, I make a tray probably twice that size.
I know, right?
I eat them cold. I add it to the refrigerator. They're unbelievable.
All right.
All right, we're ready to put our artichokes in. The oven's preheated to 450.
All right, we'll be back.
All right, let's check on these. I think they're ready.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna pull these out.
Oh, those are.
You can get this recipe also in our cookbook
Oh yeah, absolutely.
with a lot of other really good recipes.
Yeah, we're gonna let that cool down for the sandwich, right?
Yes.
All right.
We're gonna let it cool down, get room temperature, and then we'll put our beautiful sandwich together. All right, guys, we're gonna start putting together our sandwich with some beautiful spicy Gabagool and some paleo mozzarella cheese from Jimmy's.
Beautiful. They didn't have a bigger piece of bread?
This was the smallest one they had.
Man, look at that. Nice air pockets in there. Oh man. That's gonna be some sandwich.
Sandwich?
Hey, that's easy enough.
Yeah, man. This gabagool is so beautiful, man.
Oh, I know.
You know that?
Look at that.
Seriously, man. We're gonna put it on both sides. I gotta have a piece.
Yeah.
Ah, one more.
One more layer. Gabagool.
Gabagool. Oh my God.
That's beautiful.
Now mozzarella. I think we've made a similar sandwich to this before, but never with artichoke hearts on it.
No.
Baked artichokes.
Get ready for the oven.
All right, we're gonna put this in the oven now. Get it nice and toasty and melted.
450.
450. We'll check it in 5 minutes.
All right. We'll be back.
All right, guys. I think
Oh man.
Already.
Look how beautiful that is.
look how creamy that paleo mozzarella is.
Oh.
Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put some arugula on here.
Oh. Very nice.
Perfect. And then we're gonna put some onions on here too. This is about a half of medium onion here.
Nice.
Sliced very thin.
Yes.
We're gonna put some
tomatoes.
tomatoes on here. All right. Put a little pepper on here. Salt. A little bit of salt. And now we're gonna put the vinegar on here. I'm gonna put a little more salt. Some olive oil. And now for the artichoke.
Man.
I cannot wait to eat.
Wow. Nice. Oh, perfect.
All right, now the only thing left to do is eat.
All right. Let's eat.
I'm gonna turn it this way.
Okay.
And yes, by the way, this is for me and Paul. This little half is bigger. I'm gonna take that one. Nah. Pull it apart. Look at that sandwich, guys.
Oh, look at that.
Seriously.
Isn't that beautiful?
Shit, I'm eating.
Cheers.
Salute.
Oh my God.
Look at how beautiful that looks.
That is awesome. The spicy gabagool with the artichoke hearts that are baked with the garlic. Oh man, it really, really has layers of flavor. That's really different. All right. All right, now we're going to announce the winner.
No, I'm gonna eat first.
All right, and a drum roll. All right, and the winner is Gerald Angelicio. I guess I hope I pronounced it right. Anyway, go back in the comments, Gerald, and send me a message, and I'll send you our email address to get delivery information. All right, thanks for watching, and also next week, be sure to stay tuned. We're gonna have a New York style pizza. We're gonna show you how to make a pizza that tastes like it just came out of Brooklyn at home. All right, thank you.
Yes, indeed.
We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you guys next video.
Enjoy, enjoy.